Okay, today we've got the common Volkswagen Beetle door panel problem. We've got the plastic door handle, the panel's falling apart, and if you let this go on much longer, the whole panel will explode. So you can see they've made a repair with tape here, and it's still loose and coming apart. We've got a kit here from wolfsburgtuning.com. These come in silver and black, and we're going to remove the plastic handle and install this directly in place of that. And we're going to show you how. First, we're going to remove this plastic handle. And we're going to need to cut this handle off. You can use side cutters. Okay, we've got that notched. You can continue to cut that with these side cutters, but it's a bit of work. This plastic is hard. We're going to use some piano wire. You can see we're just going to take this wire and secure it in our vice grips, and it'll cut right through this. This wire will come with the kit. Okay, you saw that's much easier than trying to cut it with side cutters. When you're cutting this, be careful not to pull the door panel apart if it's too badly damaged. You're going to need to cut it with the side cutters. You see I'm being very careful not to pull this out to where I damage the panel. And we've got a nice clean cut here. The only thing we're going to need to do is touch up these edges, because these are at an angle and our new handle's flat. So we're going to go back to our side cutters. We're going to clean this bottom one up. Okay, that'll do that. Now we've got to remove our Phillips screws. We'll use a magnet to pull those out. You've got to be careful. If your handles are too badly damaged, there's going to be a washer at the base of these screws that you don't want to lose. The washer in the top there is secured. You'll see the bottom, I'm pulling that washer out. Okay, with the kit we have a long spacer and a short spacer. The long spacer is going to go in at the bottom. The short spacer will go in at the top. As you remember, on the bottom the washer came out. So we're going to put that washer back on the back side of this. We're going to put it on first so it's easier and it doesn't fall off. I've got the long spacer in place already, and we're just going to put it in. We're going to use a 4mm Allen to secure this. Make sure it's in place, and then tighten it up. You'll see it fits here nicely, fits the bottom, and it's a very solid door handle. You'll see the door panel doesn't have the movement it does now, so it's a handle that'll last forever.